Hello, friends. Welcome to another episode of The Indian Fabulist. In the last episode, we heard the story of Garuda, but there is an unheard story behind the birth of Garuda as well. Commonly, we know that Garuda is the second son of Vinuta. I have even told that story on the previous episodes. But initially, Vinuta has asked for only one child, but things took unexpected turns. Today, I am going to tell you that exact story. So sit back and enjoy. Kashyapa had to do a yaga to request Yagnaraja to give him a son who is as per Vinuta's requests. So he asked his subordinates as well as Indra to help him out in the preparation of yaga. Indra, who is very powerful god, and he is very proud of his might. To show off his strength, he picked up a heap of dry woods similar to a size of mountain, and he started coming back towards Kashyapa's ashrama in the aerial route. On the way, he saw sage Valakilya and his disciples were on foot, bringing small bundles of firewood to Kashyapa's ashrama, but on the way, they have slipped on a rock and they fell. Indra, watching this from the sky, he laughed loudly and he mocked him for being so weak. The attitude of Indra pissed off Valakilya, and he decided that he must teach Indra a lesson. So, since the reason for his arrogance is his strength, right? So, I will create another Indra who is even stronger than the present. Valakilya started a yagna to get a person who is 100 times stronger, wiser, and even faster than the present one. A man who has no limits for his strength and could easily outrun Indra. Indra turned pale when he heard this. He cannot imagine this happened because of the mockery he did to the sage. And he straightaway gone to Kashyapa to seek resort and to get help. Kashyapa went to Valakilya and told him that it is not a good thing to get angry on such a small thing, because being sage is all about control over the emotions. Even though what Indra did, he shouldn't have done, but Brahma appointed Indra as the one leader to all creatures. It would be very wrong if Valakilya proves him wrong, so proving Brahma's words wrong. So after listening to Kashyapa, now Valakilya calmed down and he said, whatever he is saying is right, but I have achieved what I was intended. But I'll stop my pursuit, but you have to adopt that child as your own. So the Kashyapa happily agreed to Valakilya's request and taken that egg along with his the one which he received by doing the yaga, and he also took the egg what he received from Valakilya and handed over both of them to Vinita and with blessed her with two sons now. The first egg born out of Kashyapa's yagna and the second one born out of Valakilya's yagna. The elder one being Aruna, the charioteer of sun god. The younger one being the mighty Garuda. So, this is the secret behind the birth of Garuda, friends. If you knew this story before, let me know in the comments. But if not, like this video, share with your friends. So, subscribe to my channel for even more interesting stories in the future. Until then, bye bye. Take care.